Hi guys, so I'm starting this video off with an unboxing. And you know Coach is wild when it comes to their packaging, so this will take me a minute. I'm super excited about the Coach denim drop because I've always wanted one of their chambray pieces, but I never really paid attention to the previous releases in the past. Okay, so they really made a fortress around the handle. I enjoy unwrapping my bags from Coach though, because at least I know they take the time to protect their pieces from damage during shipping. Okay, so I love the color of the interior. It's a very rich, warm caramel brown. Same with the handle. The leather has a patinaed look to it. Love the yellow stitching too. Wow, the chambray is so pretty. So here are some of my favorite details. The leather tassel and gold hang tag are just beautiful. Also, Coach is engraved in the hardware as usual. This bag is a combination of both fabric and smooth leather. Now for a comparison of the denim K to my signature Coach canvas version, the dimensions are both exactly the same. Notice the color of the stitching. Love the canvas version too, it's so durable. They both have a turn lock closure and wide opening, which makes it super easy to get in and out of the bag.